Hi, welcome back to Crafting with Lydia. I have a video for Valentine. This will be my first time doing a Valentine's display or ornament, and pretty much everything I got come from the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna show you. This is what we need. This is a hard foam from the Dollar Tree. It doesn't give me the specification how big it is, but it's kind of small. And we're gonna need a foldable fan from the Dollar Tree and a few hearts that I showed you in my previous shopping video. Also the bells and flowers. The first thing I did, I said I want to decorate this heart. It is pretty the way it is, but I need to do something more with that. And I had this pink fan from the Dollar Tree last year and didn't do nothing with that. And I do have my foam hearts. They came from this one came from Hobby Lobby. And what I did, grab a feather. See, this feather, I have it for 2 years ago, and look, it still give me a material to work with. I grab my feathers and you see what it comes. I'll twist it. You just untwist it as much as you can. Pull it out, and this is a foam. Each size is the same. Then what I'm doing, because I want to incorporate pink in the process, pink and red, and a little bit of gold. Then I just start gluing the feathers. I like working with feather because they give it dimension of movement, and I like to see that, and they're so easy to work with. Then I just bend the feather and go around the heart with a little bit of glue. You don't need that much hot glue. And there's a line right here that it help me to follow the line. Guys, this is what I'm doing, and gluing the feather on the heart. And continue rotating pull the feather as much as you can, like this. And let me see. So far it's looking so pretty. Okay. Get all the area that come attached to the feather, the little center in there has to be glue. Then I'm looking for that right now. Just a little bit of glue, just little dots of glue. Then I'm gonna need another little piece of feather. See the tail right here? I don't need the tail. I'm gonna go ahead and pinch out the tail and save it for another project. And continue, adding the fluffy part on the feather. Then for each heart, you're gonna need, if it's a long feather, only one feather. If you have more than that, they're really short, you're gonna need more. Then these ones are kind of small. I'm needing, let me see how many more pieces I need. No, just pretty much one feather if it's long enough. You pull the hairs around it. You don't want glue on that. I always like hearts. Growing up, going to school during class, I have a piece of paper and in my notebooks or whatever, and I keep drawing hearts all the time. Hearts and flowers since I was little. But this is the back of the heart. Either way, this is the back for me, and this is the front where you can see more motion of the feathers. Then for this one, we're gonna need, this is an envelope opener. Then what I do, I'm making a hole on the heart, and let me see, not too deep, just enough to glue the tip of the fan, these pieces right here. And if you notice, I pulled the fabric that comes with the fan, you know, your fan, and every other piece I glue it hard, and beads. These are light pink beads that go with the design, the medium size. So you're gonna need that to cover these pieces right here. And I paid $9.99 or $8.99 about maybe 3 years ago for this one at Michael's. And I always look for them, but they never go on sale. But I still have plenty to work with. And they come in white and light pink and 3 sizes, big one, medium, and small. This is too big. Let me see, I need one more. Okay, the first things I will do, I'm gonna go ahead and stick the heart right here. And you need to be careful because this plastic is fragile. Okay, now my heart is there, and you can see the other hearts right there. And I just want to give a floating effects on the heart. Now I need to start gluing my beads. Where's my glue? And just a little bit of glue on it. You can use the big side, but I don't think so it's needed. I think the medium side are good. I should have bring my extension cord for this one. I didn't do it for my glue gun. It's too short. This string is too short right here. So you need at least 4 of these pearls. So I'm gluing the pearls right here. Now what I'm going to do with this, I light this fan. I always light it. And so far I have one of these, and I have 2 orange ones that I didn't use from last year. Then I'm gonna remove this plastic stuff from here. Put it away. And I'm gonna leave the tassel in there. The only thing I need to remove is this piece right here. This is an innovation idea, because you're not gonna think to put this together, right? And also use the fabric. See the roses? I don't have small red roses. I only have this one from a shopping video. Previous shopping video came from his and hers, and that's the ones I'm gonna be using. But I really want red roses. Then I'm gonna bring my heart right here. And I like the lace because it has gold and pink. And see, do you see this pattern right here? This is one I want to see inside my heart. The heart. Okay. Then I'm going to open the fan and start gluing it. Just making sure you have the right, covering the entire piece inside and it's level. Okay. Then I'm going to glue. Now that I know exactly what I need to be, and this piece needs to be in the center of the heart, right here in the division of the heart, just to keep the shape. Okay, just make sure you center. These 2 pieces right here help me to center my piece. And I'm gonna go ahead and glue this piece right here. Just put the glue on the foam and secure this piece right here. Now I'm going to secure the other one. just 1 drop of glue. We didn't take, okay, you have to press until it's dry, I guess. Okay. See what it's looking so far. Okay, I think the glue is dried up. And I'm going to use the hook that comes with the fan to hang my heart. Now I'm going to bring out the fabric or the lace piece that comes attached to the fan, and I'm going to stretch it out as much as you can to cover the entire heart. Let me see. I do want to leave a little over here for the, you know, like that, just to have another extra edge on it. Let me see. First thing I'm going to do is to glue the inside part of the foam with the lace fabric. Then I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the heart on the edge, and inside edge, and glue this piece right here. I'm just going to use this to press. Okay, that one is secure. You need to flat this piece a little bit right here. One drop of glue. By the way, I was able to find the Gorilla Glue in mini bars, and I got it. It was $8.99 for 100 pieces in Walmart, and I think it's very expensive compared with the other one. And I'm just gonna save it when I do my jewelry pieces, instead of buying the other one that is it's too strong for me. Then I'm going around the heart and, you know, securing one piece at a time. And then we're gonna wrap it up around. I could have drawn the heart, but I don't have any strong cardboard or any paper that I can do it with. It will require a lot of cardboard. Okay, so this is secure. I'm still gonna pull it as I go. It's not secure all the way. I have to go all the way around. I need to be fast. Let me see. Just put your glue in here, and with this tool, what am I doing? Oh my goodness, right here. All right. I'm trying to stretch out the fabric without leaving that white mark from the glue. It took me a minute to decide what can I do with these two together, because I didn't say I need to start pulling the fan along, because I was gonna cut it and then trying different ways to accommodate, and I came with this one, with this effect, you know, to add the fabric in here. And I'm glad that it's transparent, because I don't want to lose my shimmer red heart. Okay, I think I got it enough inside that it's not bubbling out from here, because I want the fabric to be the heart. Let me see. I'm going to start gluing, you know, the fabric. If it's wrinkled, I like the wrinkled area. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't have to be straight. So cute. I like it that it's a tiny heart. So cute. If you don't see this glue, it's gonna go showing through, but that's what I'm saying. Just put a little bit of glue. I do have more projects for Valentine's, and I'm trying to improve the idea that I have and make it more fancy what I'm thinking. No other projects I'm going to be showing you. Then I'm working on that, and I just want something different. It's, you know, different than what I usually do. Okay, this tool is helping me to, because it's flat, and okay, let me see, and I'm not burning. Another idea that I have to work with hearts, to do heart, is just to use my needle felting wool. And I'm gonna see if I can make one like that. I didn't practice my needle felting yet. I didn't have no time to do it. And this morning, early this morning, I saw a lady doing a candle with the wool, but you need to put a lot of soap and different layers of different wool, and it looked like a candle. Okay. I got my lace over here. You see? Now I'm gonna glue this piece right here because it's showing, it's sticking out. I love lace, and I have not seen this one for sale like this. It's really cute. I'm gonna be buying more fans because I like fans. And okay, so you can see the design right here. You see the hearts are pretty. Now for this piece right here, feathers, you barely need any feathers. And now I'm going to decorate. I wish I had more lace to cover the entire heart, but I don't have this lace. I don't have any piece like this similar in the house to go around the top of the heart. Then I'm going to improve, you know, another design right here, matching what already I have in here, pink and red. You can even do some green if you want to, because you see the greens of the leaves in here. And for these two pieces, I have two ideas. I got these like picks, you know, from Hobby Lobby, and I can either put it right here to cover that big piece right here. I'll need to think about it. The next step I'm going to do, I'm going to decorate this piece right here, and I'm going to make a love sign. These are from, I think they need to come out because we're doing like an elevation. Yeah, it's gonna have more hearts in here. I don't even know, it has to be a little. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna write the word love. And I got this gold letters last year from the $3. And I was looking for one of the, you know, Valentine's cards my husband gave me every year, but I didn't want to set them up. I will do another project with that one. Oh, okay. Okay, the word love. I'm gonna put an extra glue on it just in case. And I'm gluing the leather in an angle just to, that's the letter L. Doesn't look like an L to me, but that's the L. Now the letter O. So cute. this one I'm going to add the glue. You have a glue on there, but I think it's gonna fall off if I don't do extra glue on it. There. I like these little hearts, they're so cute. Now the word love in Spanish is love, amor. In Italian, amore. And I don't know the word love in French, I should know that word. T'aime, je t'aime. That means love, t'aime. And the letter E. Now the letter E is pronounced E in Espanol. And when you speak a second language, the first thing that's going to happen to you, if you have no, you learn it later in college or whatever, when you're little, you're always going to be mistaking the I, E, O, the vowel sounds. And that's one thing that I'm trying to correct in myself, and it doesn't happening. It's still, saying backwards sometimes, but the other language take over. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the love sign. And I either stick it on the foam or just glue it in the back. So you don't want to see the stick. Let me see. Just putting it together. I'm trying to figure out how to. I think I need to flood my project right here to be able to exactly know what I'm doing. Love is in the air. This one is for floating display. Okay. Oh, I like it. I like it. Okay, I'm going to put one right here, another right here. I want to pretend they're balloons. That's what I'm trying to do. And okay, I think the easy way to do is start putting it together on the stick. This what is the letter L? Then I'm gonna glue this one right here like that. This is good. A little bit of glue over here on the side of the heart. The leather love is on my Shein card right now to buy them, but wood pieces, and but I forgot to order them before. My previous shopping video I have a big order from Shein, and I forgot about my hearts, or the word leather, the love leather. Okay, then I put this one right here. I think this is easy to start trying to put everything on the big heart. Okay, so this is how my balloons love sign. That's the way I'm thinking about balloons on the tip of the heart. How will they stay? See, this one is coming apart. Need more glue in here. This one. I have to press it. Just press it down. It doesn't want to stay. Okay. I need like a, this heart doesn't want to stay. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these sticks right here to make them all even. Oh my god, the thing is flying. Okay, that's easy. That's better. And I'm going to, let's see, I don't have a rubber band with me. Okay. Then I'm just going to glue whatever I have here and then worry about the rest. Alright, so I'm going to glue this one on the back of the phone. Okay, I was able to glue the letters, you know, pretending the balloons. And with the roses, we're gonna fill this up with roses. And what I did, I divide the bundle. Each bundle have 8 roses, and then you need 2 bundles of roses. And I'm twisting the wire, you know, just to use it as a decoration too, like this. And bring it. You cannot pull the wire on the flower. Only one was able to come out, because they're attached with the B center. That's why they're not coming out. Then I'm going to start randomly gluing these pieces in here. And if you have bigger ones, use the bigger ones. Or you can do lace flowers, whatever material you have. And I don't mind the wire showing because now it's twisted. And it's okay. This one, and we're just gonna do here, we're gonna do this, let's leave the center piece of the heart open because I'm gonna glue a bird in there. Then I'm putting the glue not on the wire but on the bottom part of the rose, and hopefully they stay where I want it to be. So now I want, I wait for a while to get these roses because they don't go on sale very often. And they were 45% off from $1.99, or let me see, not $2.99. They're expensive, but I pay 45% off. They charge me 45% off. Okay, I'm gonna put another one right here. 1, 2, 3. I just need 4 for each because I only have, no, I do have, I have plenty. I have plenty of flowers because there's 2 bundles. And just press a little bit and that way the glue will stay. I'm just gonna count my flower: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got, okay. Then you're gonna need 4 flowers in this section. Need one more right here. And don't glue it straight down, they just in an angle. In that way you can see the wire too, the twisted wire that I like. So this is one side right here. I'm gonna do the other one. We're gonna put a bird inside, in the center. Hopefully they stay. Let's see. I have to press that glue because I don't want to glue this on the phone. Look like I have plenty of ones. Let me see how many I have. No, I got 16. I got 16 of them. let's see, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, I put 6 in each side. I was thinking about 8. This one's an organza, sheer organza material, and a rhinestone in the center. Any more flowers? Okay, let's see. Today, by the way, I'm using a primer base. When you use base makeup on your face, they want you to use this primer that they give me for a sample from, I forgot what beauty place it was. I use it today, and I don't like it. You feel like it dried off in your face. It say it will lock your makeup for lasting for a long time, but I don't use makeup base on my face, never have. And maybe the primer will work for you if you haven't used. But it's really smooth when you put in, and then, but if you touch your face, it starts getting like a little, you know, fuzzy things on it. Okay, I'm not touching my face. Okay, so far this is what I have. I still have 2 more roses left. I don't think so. I mean, that now I need to put my baby bird. You see him before in other projects, and he's gonna go in the center. And there's a wire there that I don't want to see. Let me see. But it's gonna be hanging. You know, it has to be this way. I need to put the glue. Actually, I'm gonna remove this pink. I don't want that pink showing on my. Okay, that's much better. Just put a little bit of glue here. Not too much. Okay. I glue him in the angle right there. You know, we're using blue. No, we're using pink and red, and he have blue, pink, different 2 tones of pink and the blue. And I think it's pretty. I can put some diamonds in here, maybe more. Maybe I need to cover him with beads, just to give him more shiny appearance. If I do it, you will see it in the picture. Okay, look how pretty. Now we need to cover this piece right here. I wish I can cut it, but it's part of the, you know, or the hanging hearts in there. Then what I'm going to do, I only have 1 bundle of pink, and they're all together. I stretch them out this way. Same thing with this one. And I'm gonna go ahead and glue, because I want to bring the pink from the feathers, and also from the fabric and the bird in this corner, and they are the perfect pink. Then I'm going to go ahead and glue this one right here. For this one, you need to put the glue on the base area where the wires are, and I'm going to glue this one on the edge of the heart, that way you don't see the wire too much. I think I need to pull the flowers a little bit more, just to cover that white piece that I don't like. I was planning on putting the word love in here, in each one, on different languages, but I didn't have time to do it. That would be nice if you can do the letters. Okay. There's a little piece of wire showing here that I don't like. I have to bend it in the back. There. Okay. I'm gonna grab the other bundle. I'm gonna do the same thing, and then I'm gonna do something else. We're gonna do. I'm putting the glue right here and gluing it on the lace piece or the heart. Okay. I think it burned. I'm gonna use this. I think this bird came from a home store a while back. Okay, and I have my flowers in there. Now I'm going to do a little bit with the flower. We have the foam case hearts in pink and red, and because it's only pink that I want, I'm going to glue the bottom part of the heart right here, and if you don't want to do the fan piece, this piece is right here, you just cut it and use the middle piece of the fan, and that will be enough, you know, for the project. Yeah, I'm gluing my hearts hidden there where I think it's going to look pretty between the flowers. So now one right here. I think that's cute. Oh, what am I doing? Trying to pull these flowers. I think I need to, okay, I don't know if you can see the heart. Yeah, you can see the heart. You can see the heart right here. I have two hearts. I think I'm going to put one more. Let me see. No, I think two is enough. I'm going to put one over here in the center. And I have one more thing that I want to attach to. I do have a red butterfly. I think I'm gonna just put it right here. No, maybe not. I don't think so will do anything for you. Now I have one more thing that I want to show you that I was planning on doing, that I'm doing. I want to put bells. Look, all this stuff is going on. See how pretty? But I need the bells. I need my heart bells, and the way these are two different. One comes only with hearts. You see the heart right here, and it's some kind of plastic, not plastic, but you know, tin. I can't material. And then you have your jingle bells. I do want this one to go over here. I'm gonna use. I like it because we're doing a cascading arrangement. So I must well use it. More glue. Just gonna glue it on the foam piece of the heart. And I think so it will hold the bells because they're heavy. I have to keep pressing this right here because this is the only way to secure the hearts. Let me see. I don't know, it's not holding. I have to be patient with this glue. Let's see. I'm gonna put more glue on it. Put more glue over here. And press your heart down. I do have fairies, you know, but I don't think so will go with the design that I'm doing. Neither the butterfly or these pigs, like feather pigs. I will do something else with that one. And I do have this one in here. But I will decorate the bows with that. And I have the iridescent flower that I showed in my shopping video. I think these two will go together because they have a iridescent red on the bottom. Like, you will see that in the next project. Okay. I think I got the heart taken care. and hopefully it doesn't fall off. If not, I have to put a wire around it. And then you have this tassel. I don't think so I need the tassel because I'm just gonna put it in the back. See, it didn't hold. I need to put a wire on it. Let me see if I have a wire somewhere. I didn't bring any zip tack or anything to attach it with, and I do have one here, but this is for the rose. This is the rose one. Let me see this rose can help me. I don't want to do more roses. I don't. I just want to be open like this. Now you know the heart won't hold the weight or the bells. Then I need to go ahead and start adding a piece. I'm going to put a wire around these metal pieces for the heart. But this is the final. This is the final ornament right here. No, I call it display for Valentine. And if you don't want the belt, don't do the belt. If you don't want this over here, don't do it. And just color the bottom part of that and use the center in that piece. That will be good enough. But I like it this way. I think I look really pretty. Yeah. And hopefully you like it. And I say you can take out as much as you want for what I did, or keep it very simple, or do it the way I did it. And I think it's really pretty. Okay. Look how cute. Alright, but thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and share. And I will see you until my next video. Au revoir. Bye bye.